Okay, so using Smart Pro today and a Land Rover Freelander 2, and you got your 2 barcode stickers. You've got the thunder and lightning as well to assist us. Pin code 468142 for the Smart Pro. Gonna go vehicle selection. Fat fingers. Land Rover. Discovery, this is a 2004. That one, click on photos, says a picture of the key. So what key we're at. Vehicle information, don't need a working key, adds a key, that's fine, so click connect. Talking. Switch your machine on. We're on. Program remotes, click play.
It only because it's 10 point, no, it's 1.4 volt.
There's no dash on. Oh, it is now. Try again. There you go. All 4 slots are taken on this vehicle, so we might not be able to code another key to this car now. But if you see different dots in, that means that that vehicle can still have key information. So let's try anyway, but I don't think it's going to work. Remove the key from the ignition, click go. We're going to select slot 4, even though it shouldn't override it, so this vehicle might need to go back to the dealership. Get the full barcode, yes. So enter the first 7 numeric characters of the barcode. That's N440 D E 0. Okay, click go. Now push any button on that fob. Press OK. Slot 4 detected. Detect the tester and cycle the keys. So it should be now completed. Thank you.